Hey guys, today I'm going to work on my 2001 Suzuki Quadrunner 250. I think it's an LTF 250F. That's the 4x4. So I thought that there was something wrong with the fuel system. I did find a cracked fuel filter, which I did replace. That did not fix the problem. Also, the air cleaner has not been changed in forever, so I ordered another one of those. It came in the mail, and we're going to put that on as well. But I do not think that's the problem. But first, let's go ahead and get this air cleaner taken care of. We got to clean this thing out. It's still got a mess in it. Let me do that real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, got that cleaned out pretty good. Let's get this out, put it back together. Okay, I believe this piece went this way, so let's just try to get this screw started. There we go. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little piece in here. This clip just slides down in there. This pokes right in there like so. And this slides into place, or should. There we go. I think that's in there. Okay, let's get the lid and put it back on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find me another screw for in there. But that's taken care of. Let's get to this other. Alright, as you can see, I got the four-wheeler running right now, and what happens is you get this bogging down. But I heard on the internet that if it's a voltage regulator, what you want to do is turn the lights on. Now, that'll give you indication if it's a voltage regulator or not. So let's change that out. Okay, as you can see, there's a cover that goes over here. You take that off, and if you look back in here, here's the voltage regulator. So I think it's a 10 millimeter. Let's get that off and get that unsnapped. Okay, and that's the piece. Let's see what I got. Okay, so I called up one of my local parts dealers for Suzuki, and this little thing, they said, had to be shipped and was $315. That was not going to cut it. So I checked on the internet. Of course, I checked Amazon. They have a lot of the Chinese versions. I really didn't want to go that route. So I went on eBay and I found a place local, and they shipped this out to me. I think it was $16 shipped. So let's give this a try. Alright, let's give this thing a try. Seat back on, turn this on. Alright, seems to fix it. So, another telltale sign they said on these was if your battery starts to drain real slowly and going dead, that could be a sign that the voltage regulator is going out. But anytime you think it might be the carburetor, just kind of check first. If you have lights, turn on your lights, and that'll kind of even it out so it'll be enough for it to run. But hope you got something out of this video, and if you did, give me a like. And so much for that. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.